you're so funny.
Here's Max watching the nightly news. He's got his bedroom slippers on.
He's like, yeah, what are you guys looking at me for? Just kicking my feet, moving those big slippers around.
Your incredibly large feet.
Cross your legs.
Hello, Max. Hello, Mr. Max. Hello. Look at that mouse moving. You're hungry. Yes, you are. Yes, you are starving. Say, bring me food. I'm hungry.
He's watching the news. He got focused.
Those feet do not stop moving.
Hey.
An Army sergeant is expected to be sentenced to 7 years in a military prison. He pled guilty to manslaughter in the shooting death of a soldier from Cape Cod.
Hey, bud.
The result of a game.
Hey.
Fazamaya Beretta reports the dead soldier's mother says the story doesn't make sense.
Hi.
Time to let it go. For Cheryl Ruggiero, letting it go means accepting a plea of guilty to manslaughter for the soldier who killed her son, 22-year-old Army Sergeant Matthew Gallagher. It happened last June in Iraq. 25-year-old Army Sergeant Brent McBride